What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel where we talk about all things tech and gaming. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on Discord. If you're new to the platform or just want to switch up your username, this tutorial is for you. Open Discord and log into your account 1. Step 2, click on the settings icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Step 3, select the My Account tab on the left-hand side of the settings page. Step 4, click on the Edit button next to your current username. Step 5, type in your desired new username and click Save Changes. It's that simple. Your username will be updated immediately. Keep in mind that you can only change your username twice within a 24-hour period, so choose wisely. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to change your username on Discord. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what other Discord tutorials you'd like to see. In conclusion, changing your username on Discord is a quick and easy process. It's a great way to switch things up and keep your online identity fresh. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.